Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. I am the Crypto Father and today is the 3rd of March. If you're here for the first time, then you're probably drawn by the thumbnail, which was not a clickbait kind of thumbnail, but rather an estimation of what could come. So if you're interested in finding out why I think this may be the case, that Bitcoin may be going to $250,000, and I think that is a conservative number, make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around till the very end of the video so you don't miss any of the details that I'm bringing to you right here, right now. Okay, so I think a better way to understand why I think Bitcoin could go to $250,000 is by putting things a little bit into perspective. This is the Bitcoin halving clock, and we're about 51 days away from the Bitcoin halving, and already Bitcoin has managed to climb all the way up to $63,000 per Bitcoin, which is only a measly 7.7% below the all-time high of 2021. And if you look at this crazy chart of mine, this has never happened before. So the last halving, Bitcoin was at $10,000 basically before skyrocketing to $69,000. This marks a difference of roughly 621%. Now, if we were going to project this 621% over to the pre-halving levels that we're at right now, we would see a $500,000 Bitcoin. Now, of course, there is talk of diminishing returns and all that stuff, although that's questionably correct. Whether it is or not, that's not on dispute here. But the point is that even if we were to reach only half of this projection, we would still be looking at about $300,000 plus or minus. Of course, we're going to expect a dip before or right after, most likely right after, because the way things are going, it looks like we're going to see a massive pump coming up to the Bitcoin halving itself. I don't know if you've been following Twitter or not, but Twitter is in a frenzy. Everybody's posting, and it's almost like the sentiment is similar to that of being at the peak of the bull run. And like I said, we haven't even reached the halving yet, and the sentiment's already there. If you look at some of the things that people tweet, so the Watcher Guru tweeted just yesterday, this wallet has purchased an average of 100 Bitcoin per day since November 2022. It now holds 51,000 Bitcoin worth $3.1 billion. So people have been accumulating whatever wallet that is, but this wallet has been accumulating on a daily basis since the beginning of the end of 2022. Bitcoin Archive posted an interesting infographic here. Cumulative sum of Bitcoin and gold ETP flows. Bitcoin ETFs are growing, gold ETFs are losing funds. All the funds are flowing out of gold and into Bitcoin, and this is in the preparation for the Bitcoin rally, for the massive bull run that's coming up. Yesterday, Plan B posted a very good video update on a stock to flow trading signal, and he basically said that the accumulating phase has ended. No more easy buying opportunities in orderly and slowly increasing markets. Bull market has started in history. If history is any guide, we will see 10 months of face melting FOMO, extreme price pumps combined with multiple 30% drops. Enjoy. So basically on the stock to flow chart, he had a red dot printed, first red dot, which means the bull market begins. Every time that a red dot was printed, that was the beginning of the bull market, and so that's basically where we are right now. And this chart in particular, this was before the red dot was printed, so the red dot is, I guess, somewhere over here. But basically his prediction is that we should see a pump of at least up to $500,000 per Bitcoin. And with the exception of last bull run where we had FTX, we had Luna, we had so many black swan events and so many crypto crashes, which basically put a damper on the possibilities of that particular bull run. And I think if FTX and the Luna crash hadn't happened, we would have seen a much bigger pump. So it's quite likely that we might see something similar to 2013 bull run, where the peak of the market was well above the stock to flow model line as shown on this chart. So we could very likely see a Bitcoin price well above 500,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. And I've been hanging out with some of the miners in the Discord channels, and I tell you, miners are stacking up. Every single miner, every YouTube miner that is creating videos, Red Panda Mining, the Hobbyist Miner, DJ Mines, all these guys, they're stacking up on their equipment, they're stacking up on coins. Nobody's selling. In the Discord channels, none of the miners are selling. Nobody's trading. Everybody's holding on to their bags for their dear life. And they continue to add more and more equipment to their mining rigs. They continue to expand their mining equipment, which means hash rates are going to continue to skyrocket. Meowcoin right now has doubled in price. The hash rate on Meowcoin alone has doubled over the past couple of days only. Miners are turning their mining rigs to the most profitable coins, and Meowcoin right now is about to switch over to the new algorithm. So a lot of miners are moving on there because it's the most profitable, and it just shows people are accumulating. Everybody's just hodling and holding on to their bags. Nobody wants to sell right now. You got Ran Nooner tweeting about BlackRock applying for meme coin ETF, which is a completely ridiculous idea, but this is what's happening. There's a frenzy that's being developed right now that goes beyond insanity almost. The overall crypto market cap is close to breach the $2.5 trillion market cap, and we've got 100 billion in trading volume. Everything is in green. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. Bitcoin's up 20%, Ethereum 13%, Solana at $129, XRP ADA is at 73. Like, everything is green. Everything is green. It's crazy. The FOMO that we're entering right now is massive, and this is going to continue well beyond the halving, which is again going to take place in 51 days. So you might wonder whether you're too late. I would say that, I mean, it would have been much better to get in onto everything and start buying a lot more stuff, you know, a couple of months ago. But right now is still a good time to get in before the Bitcoin halving, because once the halving happens, we'll be seeing a dip. But I think Bitcoin might still pump up to 70,000 before the halving. I wouldn't be surprised if it surpassed the all-time high before the Bitcoin halving, and then we'll see a retracement after that. But I don't think we'd see it go down to $42,000 like Jamie Dimon predicts. That guy is Jamie Dimon is a perpetual bear. He's anti-Bitcoin, and so the fact that he even talks about it is questionable. I mean, he must feel the FOMO himself. And I think in this bull run, there's going to be a lot of people like the Dogecoin millionaire. Where is he? Dogecoin millionaire is tweeting, honestly feels like I'm holding the next F Dogecoin. I've never felt this before. It just makes too much sense. So he is talking about some mysterious coin that he's holding, and everybody's going to be trying to fish out the information. But the point is, he will probably never tell. He'll probably tell us once it starts pumping and he's making some money, if that coin ever starts to pump. But the point is, people will be piling in. They'll be FOMOing into every other possible small cap coin that has any potential. Meme coins will be pumping. Coins below $1 million or close to around $1 million with small market caps that have any feasible potential will be pumping, and those with serious fundamentals will be pumping the hardest. So it's still not too late to get in, but the time is running out, and it's running out fast. Get a hold of as much crypto as you possibly can. Invest whatever you have. Don't sell your house, but whatever you can invest that, because this bull market could be a massive one. The amount of money that's flowing into the Bitcoin ETFs is staggering. So on January 10, 2024, the SEC approved 11 US listed exchanges traded funds, ETFs that invested in Bitcoin. As of February 21st, BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust had roughly 5.62 billion in inflows since its launch on January 11th. So within a month, less than a month, they had $5.6 billion flowing in. Fidelity-wise, Origin Bitcoin Fund ranks second with 3.7 billion inflows. As of February 29, BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust received 550 million inflows, the most in a single day on the fund since its inception in January. I remember seeing a video somewhere of some investors talking about the amount of money that's going to be flowing in. And there are companies and venture capitals that are holding millions of dollars on the sideline, and they're slowly adding them into the ETFs. They're slowly getting into the Bitcoin ETFs. And so the amount of money that's going to continue to flow in is going to be staggering. And I think this bull run is going to be just face melting, as somebody said. I think Plan B said so. So really don't miss this chance. And also don't miss the chance of getting in on the Meow Coin giveaway this upcoming week. I'll be holding the 7th giveaway for Meow Coin. 10 lucky winners can get 1,000 Meow Coin each. It's very easy to participate in the airdrops and the giveaways, so make sure to follow the channel and check out the videos over the next week. I'll be posting a video announcing the giveaway, so make sure you don't miss that, and get yourself some Meow Coin because it's already pumping. Also, if you're in a mood, hop over to the subscription part of this channel and become a crypto kitten or a crypto cat, and for the price of a coffee a month, you'll sponsor this channel. You help me with the production of the content, and bringing you content on a daily basis to the Crypto Father channel. Before we leave, please remember to smash up the likes, subscribe to the channel, share the content with everybody else, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.